local TV viewers andarki we wish you a very happy Sankranti. Sankranti kanuka mem meeku andinche one of the special program Sankranti Sita. Intiki Sita evaru ani anukuntunnara, she's none other than our Tollywood's cute little chirpy bubbly modern Sita, that's Hansika. Nithin Hansika hero heroine ga natinchina Sita Ramula Kalyanam Lankalo, it's all got ready to release. So Sita Ramula Kalyanam Lankalo movie gurinchi chala questions tho I'm all ready here. So marinkenduku let's pester our modern Sita Hansika. So hi, welcome to our local TV special show Sankranti Sita. So and you are kind of like, you look like modern Sita. So first let's begin with your character in
Sitaram Kalyanam Lankalo.
Yeah.
My character in the film, my character's name is Nandini, Nandu, and she has many shades basically. She's bubbly, she's calm, she's sexy at times, she's modest, she's aggressive. So yeah, there are many shades of that.
So it's kind of like yourself, Hansika, in this?
I'm not aggressive. I get angry very I don't get angry very soon. If I get angry very soon, it takes me 5 minutes to get melted.
Got
you. People can't actually they know they can get away with that.
So do you celebrate Sankranti?
Every Sankranti for the last 3 years I'm here.
Yeah, because one or other movies of yours are getting released.
Yeah,
like
my blockbuster film, Desmudru was in Sankranti, Maska was in hit,
yes,
which was in Sankranti, and now Sitaram Lankalo.
This year. So how do you feel about it? Like
normally in Sankranti I'm here shooting, or rather promoting my film, or rather being in the theatres first day, first show, seeing with the audience.
so you're all set for this year's release then?
100%.
So
Actually overset.
Okay, what is one line you liked when you heard Sita Ramula Kalyanam Lankalo's story?
See, it was not one line, it was the whole script what he told me. The whole script was different for me.
Got you.
And the comedy he has given in it is very different. Normally when I listen a story or anything, I just look, as in I don't give a reaction so that the person should not get demotivated or motivated. You know, they get, it's a difficult thing to explain, but this film I couldn't stop reacting while he was narrating only. So I could actually imagine if he directed this movie, where will the movie shape up?
Got you.
So I was seeing the future rather than seeing the present.
Okay.
So and I think it's even beyond my future what I imagined, and it's come out really nice. Honestly, it has come out genuinely very nice. It's made with a lot of hard work, and dil se movie bani. Dil se,
It
jo
came
bolte
from
hain.
your like
From my heart, not from my heart. It's his heart, from everyone's heart. There's so much positive energy,
Got you.
and it does not only involve the 5 people's
Got
positive energy. It's the whole
unit.
from the lightman to the spot boy, from the setting Anna to the camera department. Everyone has given their 100%.
Let's take a short break in our Sankranti special program, Sankranti Sita, with our modern Sita. Welcome back to our special show, Sankranti Sita. Tell me about the Ram, this Nitin in this movie.
Nitin, he's been very nice, very sweet, a very humble co-star, and he's worked very hard for this film. Danced very well for this film.
He's known for his dances.
I get all good dances. All you are very good
How
dancers.
good are you at the dances? Tell me.
But to be honest, my choreographers know what type of body language I have. Both my choreographers in the Prem and Ganesh gave me few steps, which are the Masi steps, which you see in Sitting Mati song. Prem just used to keep the camera on me.
Got you.
Sound? Ansu, act. Act, Ansu. Just also that. Ansu, do what you feel like. And there's so many times I'm crying. I left the lip sync. Cut. I was like, no, baby, cut, man. I was like, Prem. And he was recording. He was laughing. He was recording. I'm not going to cut. And my director, my producer, everyone was like, take that out. She's doing something like that. They used to focus on my lips that time, my eyes that time. Oh, it was fun. And when I saw the editing, I told him, 3 days we shot. I really don't want you to keep any of those stuff because I know Prem. And he came and then I saw the song. I was like, Bapre. He's kept all of those things which I said not to keep. He's like, I love the way you are. So my choreographers know my plus points so well that they just choreograph it that way.
Kiss me, baby, kiss me, baby, kiss me. Now inch, no kiss me. Jasmine, latte, kiss me. Jara jaldi, kiss me. Come on, eka parakulo teesi. Come on, kosa perapulo choose. Come on, kasi pita valam mose. Come on, kiss.
And what is it? One thing you liked about the director Ishwar?
His
Like-
confidence level. No matter what problem comes, he'll just say one thing. Upar Bhagwan, Niche Ishwar, beech mein no fear.
And you guys are all in between, right? Too.
Yeah, and I'm like, problem. There's no problem in his dictionary. Everything is smooth. Even if he's angry, he's laughing, and I'm like, are you angry or are you laughing?
Got
I have
you.
to make out what is he doing, and then I still dekhna padta hai. Oh, he's okay. He's not in a good mood. But normally, he's that situation. He handled it so well, so calm, and the way he's got up the film is like a baby. The film was like a baby, and it's come out to be so nice.
ప్రేమించిన అమ్మాయికి ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చిందంటే ఆ ప్రాబ్లం క్రియేట్ చేసింది రాయలసీమ ఫ్యాక్షనిస్ట్ అయినా నైజాం దాదా అయినా బెజవాడ గుండా అయినా అడిగి ఎప్పుడైనా సరే దీని తల్లి దేత్తడి పొచ్చమ్మకుడి
Let's take another short break in our special program, Sankranti Sita. But stay tuned, there's more coming up. Welcome back. Guess you guys are all pampered then, like
Big time. Our
babies.
producer itself, Vijay
Yeah.
sir, has pampered us and spoiled us.
But you.
We used to play Snake and Lad on the set. He used to give me coffee itself, even the Europe tour, and I was frozen. इतनी ठंड लग गई थी कि even 7 to 8 sweaters given.
Couldn't.
Producer gave me a sweater. Nitin, director sir gave me a sweater. My own sweater, my blanket, my brother's shirt. Everything was on me, and I couldn't get
It
warm.
still was not
We were
enough.
3,000 feet high in the snow, -1, and I was wearing a chiffon sari.
Tell me about it.
Yes, and
tops, yeah.
chiffon sari with a thread blouse. I was frozen, and since I'm white, I get this red patches all over. It was bad, but then
So-
everyone was giving me coffee, rubbing my hands. Ansu, are you fine, Ansu? And then producer like, call it off. Ansu, I cannot see you like that. And my mom was not there with me that time.
Yo mom, it's time for some lage and cheeky monkey. Get ready.
Cheeky my dicky, my hot six for you, God. Cheeky my dicky, on you I go mad, God. Cheeky my dicky, going crazy on you, God. Cheeky my dicky, mama said it, shake it a booty, yeah, love. Because of my dick, oh God, oh me, God. Because of my dick, God, oh my love. We ain't roll like this, so let's go.
ఏ అదిరింది నీ అందం చిన్నదాన అది చూసేనా మతిపోయింది హాయ్ బుదిరింది ఆహ ప్రేమే ఒక్కుర్రదాన నర నరము నిన్నే కోరింది బయట మీద బొట్టు ఓ పెదవి మీద బొట్టు ఓ కవ్వ మీద బొట్టు కన్నే గువ్వ మీద బొట్టు సిటికి మటికి 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 లాగే 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 నా మనసే లాగే ఊగే ఊగే నా వయసే ఊగే లాగే లాగే నా మనసే లాగే ఊగే ఊగే నా వయసే ఊగే.
And how is Hansika gonna look in this movie?
To be honest, you cannot actually categorize anything. I cannot say what type of look I have because every song is different. One is the whole Masi song, which I itself like, man, I look Nazi. I actually say that. One is the hip hop song, which is a Kiss Me song. so many times when the song is playing and I was seeing the trailer in the editing room, all the guys there were looking at me rather than looking like, what were you thinking? How can you look so pretty? How can you look? And I have to look down. I was like, oh my god, it's just like that.
Kiss me, baby, kiss me. Now inch, no kiss me. Jasmine latte, kiss me. Jara jaldi, kiss me. Come on, ito parakulu teesi. Come on, kusa mere pulu choosy. Come on, kasi pedavalu moosi. Come on, kiss. Kiss me, baby, kiss me. Now inch, no kiss me. Jasmine latte, kiss me. Jara jaldi, kiss me. Come on, ito parakulu teesi. Come on, kusa mere pulu choosy. Come on, kasi pedavalu moosi. Come on, kiss.
Because in Moscow you were like really
I know, for
cute
Muska,
in this traditional.
This film was even more difficult because people couldn't get over the Muska look. That
That's
whole
true.
yeah. And it's like, oh my god, now I have to do something. And my director used to just leave my hair, makeup, everything on me, and then decide the set according to my dressing up.
Gotcha.
So it was even difficult because he has so much of faith in me. After I get dressed up, after I'm sending him the dress, what I have to do, stuff like that, he had to decide on Nitin's dress. After that, our set dresses. And Prem always looked upon the hero and heroine dresses. But this time he's like, "Aapko jo pehenna pehno."
Okay,
I know
whatever
look
you
pretty.
like, you just wear it
Yeah.
on and so on. Based on yours, they used to set the rest
Exactly,
of it.
and that was even more tough.
Got
Because
you.
you had to stand on the expectations.
Got you.
Every time, and it's like, will they like it? I mean, it was, I'm gone for short wig, long wig, harsh look, bubbly look, cute look. So yeah.
So tell me about the banner.
Banner welfare creation itself represents what they have done to us. They've been thinking about everyone's welfare.
Got you. The
Yeah.
name itself talks.
Exactly, as in everyone. Normally the hero and heroines are always, and the artists are very comfortable in every production. But you know, even the lower part, as in the guy who's sitting on the light man up there on the tarafa, they know that from there you come to know how happy they are. Everything was on platter. We were eating, enjoying, working, dancing, playing snake and ladder, playing cricket on the set. Yeah, though I was very bad, I cheated a lot, but still I used to enjoy so much.
One point, one final line. What is that you're gonna say to our local TV viewers about, other than saying come watch my movie? What is that your movie gonna? Anyways, we're all gonna go watch. That's for
You
sure.
guys have to watch it because 1.5 hours you're gonna get a laugh right. We have Brahmanandam Garu as Anjanelu, and our Lakshman is definitely Ali Garu. Sita, Ram, Raman is also Salim Pandya. So we have a very good set of team.
That's for sure. All our local TV viewers are
All I
gonna
wanna
go
say
watch.
is this every Sankranti, you have been kind towards me. I have been, guys. Hope you like it. You enjoy a film. The songs are doing very well. Go see me and my pairing with Nitin. Everything, the whole fresh look, which has made a hype in the industry. The songs are doing well. The title is good.
Yes.
This Sankranti, just go watch full paisa vasool picture, Sitaram Kalyanam Lankalo.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much to
Thank
being
you so
with
much.
us, and
Thank you.
Good luck. సో our modern Sita Hansika సీతారాముల కళ్యాణం లంకలో మూవీ గురించి చెప్పిన విశేషాలు మిమ్మల్ని ఎంటర్టైన్ చేస్తుందని ఆశిస్తూ once again we wish all the local TV viewers a very happy సంక్రాంతి.
సంక్రాంతి వచ్చేసిందండోయ్. తనతో పాటు రంగురంగుల ముగ్గులు, చిత్ర విచిత్రమైన పతంగులు, వేడి వేడి పొంగళ్ళు తీసుకొచ్చేసింది. మరి మేమేం తీసుకొచ్చాం? సంక్రాంతి ప్రతిదినం, సుఖ శాంతి ప్రతిక్షణం, మా ఇల్లు ప్రేమాలయం, దేవుళ్ళ జన్మాలయం. సంక్రాంతి పాటలు.
విజేత వాయిస్ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్ర ఈ గురువారం రాత్రి 7:30 సహ సమర్పణ శ్రీ శ్రీ హోమ్స్ దిల్సుఖ్ నగర్ హైదరాబాద్.